How to fix low iPhone speaker volume. Whether it's the earpiece during calls or the bottom speakers, here are the best ways to make your iPhone sound louder. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, tap Touch, then scroll to the bottom and select Call Audio Routing. Make sure it's set to Automatic so your calls aren't being routed to a Bluetooth device or another audio output. Now, go back to the Accessibility menu and tap Hearing Devices. If hearing aid compatibility is turned on and you don't use a hearing aid, turn it off. Next, return to Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Then, select Headphone Safety. If Reduce Loud Sounds is enabled, turn it off, or increase the decibel limit if you prefer to keep it on. This setting mainly affects headphones, but adjusting it may help if your audio feels limited. Now, make sure your volume is turned all the way up.
Use the Volume Up button on the side of your iPhone, then open Control Center and drag the volume slider to the maximum level. If you're having trouble with the bottom speakers or the earpiece, inspect them for dust, lint, or debris. Remove your phone case if it's covering the speakers, then gently clean the speaker grills using a soft brush or a dry cotton swab. Avoid using sharp objects that could damage the speaker mesh. Finally, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on, and test the speaker again. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix low speaker volume on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.